Hello, this is CMM-1H thermovacuum drying unit. The capacity of the unit is 1 cubic meter per hour. All the components are typical for drying machines except the absence of the inlet pump. Oil is delivered into the vacuum chamber by means of vacuum developed by the vacuum pump. This solution seems to be reasonable, taking into account that the capacity of the unit is only 1 cubic meter per hour. The distinguishing feature of this unit, which you can see from the first glance, is this gorgeous side glass. In it you can observe oil behavior, bulbing, foaming, evenness of the oil flow in the sprayer. By the way, the sprayer is the other preference of this unit. It is made of glass, that's why it is temperature resistant and durable. What I particularly like in this machine is availability of bypass line. With this valve, you can split the flow from the outlet pump in two parts. One to the outlet, the other one back to the inlet. It is especially convenient when you face foaming and need to decrease the capacity of the unit. Please write in comments how do you like this machine and which units you would like to see in our following reviews. For more information, please visit our site www.globecore.com. Bye!